The speakers on our program are leading Israeli activists and thinkers who want to contemplate the big questions, but also understand how they get implemented into policy and practice.
If I'm patriotic and I really believe in my country, both in America and in Israel, then I should be doing something about that, which was definitely a wake-up call that I needed to hear.
And I think Tikvah has really shown me how complicated and amazing Israel is.
That sort of vibrancy in intellectual pursuits was just completely missing from my high school life.
It's applying one set of skills, of knowledge, of ideas, and applying it to somewhere else where normally you wouldn't think it can work.
In Tikvah, one topic that we've discussed is the role of virtue in a liberal society and how a liberal state can engender virtue in its citizens.
He challenges us, like no matter what we say, he fights back, pushes us, and he asks questions so that we really provide a full, thorough answer.
Social aspect is also great because it's interacting with people who really want to be there.
But you're exploring ideas and challenging yourself with people who are coming from an array of backgrounds.
I think that getting a more expansive view in economics and Zionism and philosophy really complements it very well.
I think a student that would enjoy the Tikvah program is one who's curious. One who doesn't just want to look at the facts and have these ideas going around and just take them for granted. He wants to come to the root of the issue and wants to have a great understanding.
I felt that I was getting a lot of Jewish learning, but I wanted to balance that with more like classical philosophy and how I would connect the learning that I'm doing here in my year in Israel to my life back in America.